Dear students, welcome back to mathsy.com. This is your Joyce ma'am. Today we are going to learn the formulae from the chapter Areas Related to Circle, Class 10 Math NCERT. Are you all ready? Shall we start? Here we go. Area of minus sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Area of major sector is equal to pi r square minus area of minus sector. The length of an arc L is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Area of minus segment is equal to area of minus sector minus area of triangle. Now consider area of triangle. There are three possibilities for the angles to be inclined at the center. Possibility 1, theta is equal to 60 degree. Then area of triangle is equal to root 3 by 4 a square. Possibility 2, theta is equal to 90 degree. Then area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Possibility 3, theta is equal to 120 degree. Then you have to draw a perpendicular from the center to a chord. By using trigonometric ratio, you can find the area of triangle. Area of major segment is equal to pi r square minus area of minus segment. That's all for now in this video. With the next set of formulae, we'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.